when Unix was created, there was no personal computer scene. Instead, it was this late 60s, early 70s was the age of the mini computer.
It was very simple to take the ideas from Simula for general abstraction for the benefit of sort of humans representing things so that humans could get it, with low-level stuff, which at that time was the best language for that was C, which was done at Bell Labs by Dennis Ritchie. And take those two ideas and bring them together so that you could do high-level abstraction, but efficiently enough and close enough to the hardware for really demanding.
Learning software development in general is a fairly daunting task. There's a lot of stuff that's sort of around and above the language. Java is actually particularly easy and straightforward to teach as a first programming language. There are a lot of books about it. There are a lot of interesting tools. There are things like the BlueJ programming environment that comes along with a textbook. That's really a great way to learn Java. And when I've watched people go through the sort of learning Java process, if there are people who have never done any programming before, it's actually pretty easy. The hard nut for most people is, understanding what object-oriented programming is all about.
Yes.
Can you tell us your opinion about frameworks? Thank you.
They all suck.
Interesting project, and everything I know about language design, or all my opinions about language design, originate in that project.
JavaScript is a programming language meant to be embedded directly in web pages. So it was meant to be very easy to use because everyone was creating a web page in the 90s when JavaScript was born, and even more people are doing it now. So JavaScript has this approachability and this property that you can write just a little snippet of it or copy a snippet you saw on some other web page, put it in your page, and you get a little animation or a little form validation or some kind of improvement to your page from a little bit of programming. But that leads to large programs over time. And so JavaScript has become widely used to build whole generated web pages or web apps. It's been used on the server to compute responses from databases and do all sorts of amazing things. JavaScript is used all over computing.
Scalability. The Ruby tool try to address the scalability, and we will try to improve the performance and to make the YARV, the one-line, the virtual machine even faster. We are working on the test suites for the Ruby interpreters so that we can ensure the reliability of the language.